everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very easy fish recipe, and I'm going to make pan fried catfish. The ingredients I'm going to use to make a tasty and delicious catfish: salt and black pepper, all-purpose flour, and we're going to do the egg wash, and these all spices we're going to include into the all-purpose flour for the coating. Black pepper, salt, degi mirt, red crushed pepper, half teaspoon each, and let's get started. First we're going to bring all the spices into all-purpose flour. Combine it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is going to be the coating. Spread it evenly. We're going to prepare egg wash. 2 eggs, we'll break it open. With the help of whisk, beat it well. Once nicely beaten, the first step will be adding salt on catfish. So please add according to your taste. Black pepper. We'll turn these over and repeat the same process. Add salt. Don't add salt too much because we're going to have a salt in our flour. Black pepper. Now we're going to take these catfish pieces into egg wash. Get a fork. With the help of fork, we put it inside. We're going to flip them over. Just like this. This one time wash. Then pick it up. Just shake it and then bring it into all-purpose flour. Turn this one over. So as you can see, this is nicely coated on both sides. Shake it and then put it back into the plate. So I'll finish up the same way. And now let's start making our delicious pan fried catfish. So we'll take this one to the gas. Get a big fry pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, and we're going to tilt the pan. We're going to make sure that it's nicely coated at the bottom. Keep your gas on medium. I'll place the catfish pieces on top of it, just like this. We're going to cook until it will cook halfway. Once the colors start to change, then we're going to flip them over. As we see, it start to change the color. Once we see the color changes, we're going to flip them over, just like this. So when you're flipping over, just to get a help of another fork. Look at this, how delicious, nice color. This one doesn't take that long to cook. But please cook on medium gas. You don't want to cook on a high gas. Now we're going to cook on this side until it's fully cooked. Then we'll flip it over. The other side is cooked nicely as well, so we're going to turn these over. Look at our delicious color. Nice texture. The fish is fully cooked. I'll turn off the gas. The heat is off. We're going to let it sit 1 minute. We waited for 1 minute. I have my serving platter is ready, and we're going to dish out. And this one is so easy to make. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious and quick and easy pan fried catfish is all ready, and prior to serving it, butter lemon sauce. served with some peas, and this is the perfect. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like a hot food, add some sriracha. Wow, it's super tasty and super yum. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and bye-bye.